how to copy messages from Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you copy messages from Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Messenger with your account. Alright, so after you open the Messenger, from here you'll have to choose the person or conversation from where you want to copy messages. So simply I'm choosing this one. And now from here to copy the message, you'll have to just tap and hold that message. Alright, so from here you can easily get options like copy. So simply tap on this copy option. Alright, so after you tap on that option, the text will be copied to your clipboard. So now from here you can easily paste this text to your any platform. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.